Hello everyone, John here at E.C.D Auto Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Very excited to be in front of one of our amazing custom D110 builds, which is available for sale now, by the way. This is a stunning looking D110 in Santorini black, Zone Sport grille in the front, E.C.D custom steering guard below. We have 20-inch con wheels in here, SVX side steps on the side, all black on black. Again, very stealthy looking truck, full external roll cage, rear access ladder, and of course you have out here work lights, this LED Black Magic hella lights that look amazing. In the back here you'll notice a North American spec bumper, which we do in pretty much every truck. Parking sensors, trailer plug, your backup camera, and a universal hitched receiver right there. We have 4 jump seats in the rear, and of course you can fold those up as you see on the left here, or when you bring them down, there's a little pedestal in here to hold them in place. And you see this vintage oak, beautiful wood paneling in the back, just enough to give it a slight contrast, but blending very well with the rest of the black accents, of course, inside the car. The mirrors here are painted to match the body as well, so no exposed plastic, but rather nicely painted and completed. Now, under the hood of the car, let me show you. I'm gonna pop in here so you can check out this beauty. LT1 GM V8 engine, 455 horsepower. Also, one of the features that we add on here at E.C.D, if you had a flat battery, instead of digging into the main battery located under the driver's side seat, you have a couple of terminals in here for convenience. And we also have a plug for a built-in trickle charger. So if you were to leave the vehicle unattended for a few days, go on vacation, trip, simply make sure to plug this into a 110 outlet, keeping your battery healthy, of course, for prolonged periods of time. It's got this beautiful leather layout. We have all-American gauges with brushed aluminum finish. Also a Momo Prototipo black leather wheel with your silver spokes as well. Kind of blended in a little bit of the accents that you see in the door, of course, in a very nice and cohesive way. There's a very nice layout with 2 and 2, of course, Corbeau trail cat seats, very comfortable and easy to use. We also have out here a rear view mirror that is digital, so you have also a full camera view from the back. It also has a built-in dash cam with a frontal view if you ever need to use that. Home link is also standard in this vehicle, and this is for your garage door opener, of course. Over here you will find all the ventilation controls. We have power windows in the front and also power windows to the back, control from the switches out here, and central locking. Now, the nice thing about this car is very comfortable. We have an air suspension included, or E.C.D Air Ride. You will see a remote control here where you can make specific commands. If you like to lower the cargo area of the car, or tilt it sideways if you're on an incline for some reason, or simply lower and raise the vehicle for more or lesser clearance. So this single button operation here, you will see that if you want to raise the car a couple of inches or lower a couple of inches, you can do so with one touch out there. So if you have a low garage ceiling per se, and you would like to go ahead and get the car a little lower to get into it, you can certainly do that. Or if you're going off-road and you would like a little bit more clearance and more articulation, you can actually raise the vehicle a couple of inches as well. The nice thing is the moment you hit 20 miles an hour, the vehicle will self-regulate to the standard height for safety. So besides, of course, of having all the matching hardware in silver metal, we have the same seats, the Corbeau seats. We have this custom brackets made for the seats, of course, very nice. Also matching the exterior color, a very unique E.C.D custom detail as well. And on the rear, as I was mentioning, of course, we have the AC, a secondary AC unit, which is independent to the front. You can turn it on and off from here, and also makes the vehicle, of course, a lot cooler in the summer months, of course, when things heat up. Power window controls are here. You can see in there up close, and we have USB outlets, 2 on each side, in both A and C plugs. So that way, whether you have an older plug or a new plug, you can utilize those as well. If you have any questions about this vehicle, would like to learn more about it, or how to bring it to your driveway, please let us know. You know where to find us in all of our platforms. Bye for now.